Hi guys, today we will talk about how to export video log on your Reddit app. Today we will go to know how we can do that on your Reddit. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture on app, you will click. Then this window show for you like this. Then you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to show for you this settings window here in this window. Then you just go down here and all you have to do, you just keep going and you click here on export video log. When you click here, it's going to show for you window. In this window do you have contacts and all on your app, and you can export video log in this window. Going to show for you when you click here on export video log. I don't want to click here because my record screen it's gone when I click here. So you just click here and it's going to show for you, and you can export video log in this. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.